Last night we had our interview with Thomas Campbell at 4 in the morning. Wait, hold on, I've forgotten something. There we go, that's better. Oh wait, one more. There we go. Last night we had our interviews with Thomas Campbell. So I'm currently editing that Thomas Campbell video now.
Boom, we're live.
And it's a push. The ability to create so much content. Now, one of the reasons why I want to vlog every day is because it's difficult. It actually bends my creative boundaries, and I like that. I've been a musician and a composer my whole life. This new style of sharing and communicating value through vibration, not just in the auditory world, but in the visual world as well, it's entirely new for me. And because of that, I'm constantly now creating these new neurons and synapses that are firing in what I'm actually capable of creating. So this morning we're going through, we're doing all of the audio edits. We're looking at what sounds we can record to create almost a flow and a rhythm, a structure of a type of digital representation of life as it moves. And doing it on a daily basis is an extremely difficult thing to do, but I have fallen again in love with this process every day because I don't know what's coming next. And that's fun about what this is. Part of creativity, when you aim to do something specific, those are the results you achieve. But today's vlog is more about a sketch pad to open up to what art or creativity is itself, to see what happens instead of a predetermined day. So yesterday's vlog, I knew what I was going to create from the moment I opened my eyes. And that was fun. It gave me the ability to do that. But today I was very tired after the call with Thomas Campbell, and I didn't know what I was going to do. So that became part of the vlog. The fact that I don't know what I'm going to do now becomes the creative expression. It gives me the opportunity to express and kind of sketch out ideas. Now, we don't know what that leads into. It may lead into an art that is significantly better than I could have imagined because I don't know what it is that I'm starting with. And this is a lot of the times what takes place with business. I've started other companies in the background. I didn't really know how successful they could be. So being open to an experience can bring you places you never really imagined. And that's kind of what today is about. It's about changing your environment, changing your focus, and allowing the free-form expression to come through. That way the art piece itself has something to say. It's not just what I want to create. And that's really the best you can do. The best you can do is focus on allowing creativity to move through you. Sometimes if you focus too much on what it is you want to create, you get a skewed version instead of a true piece of art. So that's the trick half the time. Just let creative flow kind of take you where it wants to go.